So what home upgrades will increase your home's value? Well, we'll let you know. Stay tuned. I'm Darius Ramsey.
And I'm James Rhoads. We're the Ramsey Rhoads group here at Berkshire Hathaway in Camp Hill, PA. So guys, when you're preparing your house, there's definitely a lot of things that you can do to upgrade your home, but I want you to know that not every upgrade is going to be very suitable for your house and get you the most value. So you got to be careful in what you're doing.
According to a survey done in 2020 by HomeLight, we've seen a massive reevaluation of homes basically due to the pandemic.
Yeah.
And some of the things that actually people are looking for when surveyed about what they're looking for in their next home.
Yeah, definitely. There's a lot of things that can become more and more attractive to buyers. One of those things would be to add a little bit more usable square footage to your home. Obviously, the pandemic has taught us, as we were cooped inside for quite a while, that we need a little bit more room, a little more elbow room to move around in our houses.
Even the space.
Yeah, definitely need a little bit more space. So adding some additional office space, because a lot of people are working from home, that could be key. And just needing to branch out and spread out a little bit more in your own home.
Yeah, and keep in mind, some of these things can be as simple as finishing your basement, right? So a lot of people have an unfinished basement. That could be an excellent way to increase your home square footage.
Absolutely. Another thing is improving your curb appeal. Guys, I've been out on many appointments and looking at properties with clients, and oftentimes we're right down the street from one another, and they're very similar price points when they're the same neighborhood, and there's definitely going to be a different look and feel as you walk up to a property that has fresh landscaping. There's nice fresh paint on the front door, and things are just nice and crisp, as opposed to maybe a neighbor property that might not have those same amenities going along with the property. So again, first impression is very important when you're selling your property. So you want to have a very good curb appeal as you're putting your marketing out there.
And now that we're talking a little bit about outdoor space, you can actually increase your living square footage. One of the things that's going to be very popular that we think moving forward are ADUs, or accessory dwelling units. We're definitely going to do more of a video topic on this as we go forward, because it's a lot of information that we can put forward. But basically, it's kind of taking that garage, adding space on top of your garage that could be used as living space.
Now guys, obviously we're always coming up with new fresh topics all the time, so please shoot us some messages, drop us some comments, let us know about a topic that you might want to hear about. We'd be happy to talk to you about it.
Yeah, and as you guys already know, please like, comment, share, subscribe to us if you haven't done already. If you guys have any questions about anything that we actually want to do, that you want to do us to do a video on, feel free to reach out to us, drop a comment, DM us. You guys know how to get a hold of us. Smoke signals, DMs, instant message, text messages,
carrier
calls,
preferred.
pigeon carriers. We do it all, right? So just reach out to us. So other than that, we will see you guys in 2 weeks.
See y'all.